Hi folks, we're here to show you how the kernel cutter with the bit works and how the kernel cutter with the tube and 2 bits work. And we're going to kind of make it like a silent movie. We're just going to do this, and if there's anything real important to tell you, I'll go ahead and tell you. But first you take the cutter, you put the cutter in the tube and the slots, teeth up. We have a freezer bag. Actually, it's a sandwich bag on the bottom here, and we're gonna show you how you get the kernels into your bag. Reverse the drill and a drill to your helper. This is why you get 2 bits. And now see, we got another one ready. And now I'm going to show you without the freezer bag. That was 2 ears of corn. You got a freezer bag that's fit for 2 or 3 people. And now you can use it this way, where you just dump it into your reverse the drill, remove it. Sure helps to have a helper. You can do dozens of corn in minutes. Now we're going to show you something else. I like this method. It's with your own bucket. You see, it collects it there in that pan. But with your own bucket, because the bucket doesn't come with the sale, we've got the mounting hardware for it. You have to drill your hole in the bucket to mount it, and it's best to drill the hole right up underneath the top rim, and you fasten it with the hardware provided. And I guess you have to reverse the bit. So you insert the cutter in here, and this works slick as a whistle. And this is ergonomically comfortable because you can swivel this, you know, to your likeness. And actually I prefer sitting down and putting the bucket between my feet. And by the way, this is actual time. Doesn't get any easier than this. And I think you people get the idea. Take a look at what. So you can get them on Amazon if you want just the cutter with a bit. you gotta type in Kernel Kutter with bit and it'll pop up. Or if you want the tube, it's Kernel Kutter with bit and tube, and you do get 2 bits. And they, well, you see how they work. And this was real time. It wasn't any, you know, fake video or anything. And I gotta tell you, this is, in my opinion, the fastest way to strip your corn for canning, or for someone who has problems with their dentures or teeth problems. Anyways, look for them on Amazon. Thanks, and happy corn cutting.